Now that we've covered basic presentation building skills, we know how to change backgrounds, how to type text, and how to adjust layouts on our slides. Let's talk about inserting objects. Objects such as pictures make your presentation really stand out. Click on the Insert tab to open the Insert ribbon. There are a lot of things that we can actually insert into PowerPoint, but this video is only going to focus on 4 of those objects. We're going to talk about inserting pictures from your computer, inserting online pictures, shapes, and text boxes. If you want to insert a picture from your computer, you're going to make sure you're on the Insert ribbon. Click on the Pictures command found in the Images group. When you click on the Pictures command, it opens up your picture library on your computer. Choose the picture that you want to use. Click Insert, and your picture is inserted onto your slide. You'll notice these different squares and circles along the edges. When you move your cursor to these squares or circles, it becomes a double-sided wide arrow. When you see this change, you can click and drag to resize the image. If you see a 4-sided arrow, you can click and drag to move the image. So again, the double-sided wide arrow lets you resize. The 4-sided black arrow lets you move. Up at the top, you see a little circle with an arrow. When you move your cursor over that area, it also becomes a circle with an arrow. You can click and drag to flip your picture on an angle. When your picture is selected, you'll see the Picture Tools ribbon appear. The Picture Tools ribbon is one of those contextual ribbons. And contextual ribbons appear in context. It means that you have to have an item selected in order for it to be shown. In this case, the Picture Tools is showing because we have the picture selected. Under the Picture Styles group, you can quickly add a fun style to your picture, such as different frames. You can also add a solid color border by clicking on one of the color choices under Picture Border. Another effect that you can add is the artistic effects. In the Adjust group, if you click on Artistic Effects, you can apply one of these unique styles to your picture. If at any time you apply a style and you decide that you don't like it, you can reset your picture by clicking on the Reset Picture command in the Adjust group. Again, these groups will only be shown if your picture is selected and you have your Picture Tools ribbon open. The final thing that I would like to show you with the picture is the crop. In the Size command, over on the far end, you'll see Crop. It has 2 sections, the bottom and the top. Click on the top portion, and you'll see these black bars appear in the picture. When you see the black bars, you can click and drag to select just the part of the picture that you want to show. You'll notice that the area that you want to dismiss is darkened. The area that you want to show is highlighted. When you adjust your picture to what you want to show, click the top portion of Crop again to apply the crop. If you crop your picture, you cannot use Reset Picture to get it back. It doesn't work. You'll have to either click the Undo button or click Crop again to open up this setting, and you can click and drag to bring back the area of the picture that you cropped out. Once you click off your picture, the Picture Tools ribbon is gone. One more time, click on the picture, picture tool ribbons appear. You can give it an artistic effect. You can apply a style. You can also crop your image to show just the portion that you want to show. Now that we've learned how to insert pictures from our computer, let's talk about inserting pictures from the internet. I moved to my second slide in my presentation, and I also have the insert ribbon displayed. In the images group, we see the 4 commands: pictures, online pictures, screenshot, and photo album. You'll notice that there is no longer a command called clip art. That's okay. You still have access to the clip art library as part of your Office 2013 purchase or Office 365 subscription. The difference from previous versions is that in 2013, you have to download the clip art library images from the internet. In previous versions, such as 2010, 2007, or 3, the clip art library came as part of the downloaded version of Office. So if you do not have access to the internet from your home computer or your work computer, you will not be able to access these options. Let's click on the online pictures command to see the different options that we have. It opens up the insert pictures menu. We can download a picture from office.com, which is our clip art library. We can do a general search using Bing. If you have pictures in your OneDrive account, you can access your OneDrive account to download pictures from there. You'll also notice that you can access your Facebook pictures by signing into Facebook and other social media. This is actually going to expand as time goes on. We're going to talk about the Office.com clip art option and the Bing image search option. First, Office.com. This is the same library that you've always had access to from previous versions. This includes photo quality images as well as those cartoony, hand-drawn like images. To find an image, you'll type a keyword in this search box. So I'm going to type koala and click on search. Here are the images that match that keyword from Office.com. If I see an image that I want to add, I would just select it by clicking on it and then click Insert. If you're doing a professional presentation, be aware that the clip art hand-drawn like images are no longer considered very professional. You want to steer more towards the photo quality images. If you're doing something for school as a teacher or a presentation geared towards families or children, the clip art hand-drawn images are perfectly fine. I'm going to click on a clip art image and click Insert. It downloads the clip art image into your PowerPoint presentation. When you click on the clip art image, you'll see the same squares and circles that allow you to resize it, the same circle with an arrow that lets you flip it, and you'll notice the same Picture Tools ribbon. So just like with the picture that we inserted from our computer, the pictures that we download, we can also apply picture styles. I'm going to go ahead and apply a picture style. You can apply picture borders. You can apply, in some cases, artistic effects. Or you can crop the image by clicking on the top portion of the crop command, clicking and dragging from the black bars to show just the image that you want to show. I'm going to click on the top portion again to apply the crop. When I click off the clip art image, my Picture Tools ribbon vanishes. So you can use the same tools as you do with the inserting a standard picture from your computer. It's the same picture ribbon. The only difference is where you get your image from. I'm going to move to my third slide. I'm going to go back to Insert and click on Online Pictures. I want to talk about the Bing image search. When you do a standard image search on the web, you typically will include pictures that are Creative Commons copyright, which means you can share and share alike, and the standard traditional copyright, which means the images is owned by another person or entity. Be sure to research the copyright of the image that you insert from the internet. Some images you are not licensed to use, and if you are caught using an unlicensed image, you may be fined for misuse of copyright. Let's do a quick Bing image search. So I'm going to do the same thing, koala, and I'm going to click on the search button. So this is an image search from the Bing web search. Notice that I see this yellow bar. Search results are images licensed under the Creative Commons. Again, Microsoft warns you to review the specific license for any image you want to use to ensure you comply with it. So right now these images are being filtered for Creative Commons license, which are typically share and share alike. Do not rely on this 100%. It's always good to double check. You'll notice that when you scroll over a image, at the bottom it will list the website that it's from. So you can visit the website that the image is from to review their copyright information. If you click Show All Web Results, this will show every image that the Bing web search can find, including images that may not be Creative Commons licensing. I'm going to go ahead and cancel my insert, close this box to return to my presentation. Had I downloaded an image from the Bing web search, I would have still had the same options and the same picture ribbon as I did with my clip art and the picture from my computer.